Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today's recipe is fried chicken rolls. It's a special recipe that we make at home. It's so delicious, it's real good, and I hope you're gonna like it. The detailed ingredients are going to be at the end of the video for you to screen capture and in the description box as well. We'll start out with a pot to boil the chicken in. We're gonna put the water, we're gonna put some bay leaves, and we're gonna put a cinnamon stick. We're gonna put some cloves, black peppercorns, cardamom pieces, and salt and turmeric powder. Then we're going to wait for the chicken to cook with all these goodies. And when the chicken is done, we're going to take it out, set it aside, and start shredding the chicken. In a pot, we're going to start cooking the onions down. We'll add some garlic paste and stir. Then we're going to add shredded carrots and we'll stir some more and mix them until they're cooked down a little bit. Then we're going to be adding the shredded chicken back into the pot. Now we add some chopped parsley and stir and mix. Don't throw the water away from the pot of the chicken that we boiled, because we're going to be using this to flavor and keep the mixture moist. We're going to add some salt, turmeric powder, and black pepper powder as well. Then we're going to mix again. Don't forget to give it a taste to see if it needs more seasoning and if it is to your liking. We add more salt, more turmeric powder, and more black pepper. And this is how it's gonna look like. We're going to put it in a bowl and set it aside because we're going to be using that to make our rolls. Then we're going to take a quarter of Lebanese bread and cut it into squares or rectangles. We're going to spread some cream cheese on it, some processed cream cheese on it, and we like the Hook brand. So we're going to use that, spread it all over, then we're going to bring the mixture back, put it in there and roll. And the cheese binds the bread, it keeps it from opening up. And then for the batter, we have 2 eggs that are beaten and the breadcrumbs on one side. We're going to put the rolls into the eggs first and then cover them up with the breadcrumbs and set it aside. This is how it's going to look like. We're going to fry them up. Best part. We're gonna fry all our chicken rolls. At home, we like to call them chekhuls for short. I hope you try this recipe and give us your feedback. Tell us if you liked it. What would you change about it? How would you alter it? And since you made it this far, thanks for watching the video. We hope you like it. Subscribe for more and have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!